interest. If you look through our concept note of the program or the project, is saying Banda Rural Empowerment or PRESD in collaboration with WCY obtained the visionary idea to implement the first edition of Lower River Region Youth Talent Show with the theme Yes We Can Do It, with the aim to dictate a lasting culture of friendship and harmonize the activities of talented youths in the area of specialization. He says among the activities for scouting talents shall be outreach programs to different institutions, learning centers and schools, youth centers in order to tap the most potential cream of the society, with a view to transform them into exemplary and uprising opinion leaders. I will allow Mr. Kindi to elaborate on what I have just said in English, or let me just complete this. And he says also involving drama and cultural groups, which will also showcase the talents among community couples at the village level for them to be exposed beyond their communities. The special talent show is practically designed to include not only public speaking, but also the field of performance such as dancing, singing, drama, poetry, and comedy in different forms. These are some of the activities that we are coming up with, but we will go through every activity to tell you the reason why we organize it and the impact of the activity.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ba. Abara ko baga amo. Ko Mr. Ba ka funeme. Bi ko la nakale jam. Ko na mo foni ko wala men yalo ko mo da janni mandam ma ko kambe do ko sama ke kan janni. Na do ko nyaale trending foni ko wala yirwa bundal da malla. Bawo ni ko foni ko wala siata. Bari la yirwa bundal dal ko ko so samba no na do ko bundal wol to ma so aka men fono angale kan to wala ko ino nyaaju be fonnin ke jamaale ben commandant banko kan jang wala ni masa kon ko ndol anden newo julo fonnin ko jamaabe je mealon ko ale so kula le mealon ko nimmo je bulo kafuma asike fendi membe kale sama na faat to awol ka me talen ko len ay fere kol be bu ne men alon ko nimmo je da bu le feje pour ye fang yi wandino abe kale sama na faat mo ko ma be nyamen dal dunya be nyamen bi mo gokku ke mo fay ata mo man ferol dila o me bu kafu so o kamala kafu fulal sida me alon ko ka fo ko presdi wolen ko ino ballal mum fulata ngol wolen de maro na de maro ko da fannin ko le kan men be ni sankon ko jang pour ka je ko ye fayir wandino kula yirwa men fana alon ka de sabat no re bu ko wonin fannin ke kaf do fana bi jam me alon ka fo ko working children and youth wolen ni bo fula manika kan rolam ko ka dinningol jube dinnol men alon ko do ko kolon be laari kan ni fannin ke wol mo so bo kan no nyaade pour ka je ko ye nyaat len ni kula men be kala karon ni irwa ko tangol so nyin ka fu wala sita kabrin sita hakul fa nyo kan ngaje ko era di fannin ko wala ni masa kon ko pino fannin ko simule keno pour ka je ko mon men yalon ko kabri ko ni nalle ma fokka fol le mbang feere kol be bule men yalon ko ni da mal ka fonni nyokan si wol keno de pour ka eta ni mo la ko ni bentel bu pour ka je ko si de wandi no nyame tubabul ka me ko talent so on si dan no de feero na ka je ko la tawle kada anden ma feere bunda mel wandi ko na to ko min ka be yi wandi ka me ko team wodem ko adun kambulo momenti wodem ko ni ba fa tubabu kan wala we can do it ni man ga kan wala ko han sa keno wa han sa keno da akro siata bawo fonnin ke jamaade bijam kabrin kon kun nan fo kafol nyin han sa keno da akro men wala ko fonnin ko men be era di banko ka wala ni masa kon ko tundola daftale ngaje ko ye wuli de simfa nyata men bite ko fon le yiwa bunda kan o yiwa bunda be kada ko jamali men be kada karam sugo jadi kende ya seno bunda futa nyomo kenya ku jama so wol bebe na fere buro ko ande niaju be naji ninyin lonkan bulo na wala han sa kenol men me ya lon ko alen so wala fere wala sa kenol ngadi ko era dimu kumandam man ko de men be la puka jiyaade ke fonnin ko wala bembala men mina jaade sankono ka men nekof nin ko nekof men yalon ko fonnin ko le mudo wol tamol ban han men ke fonnin ko al kamol amam men bota do ke kan dum bansan men kada kar say ko man o kartan ko man so ni sandi nyala wala 2014 men kanati ni masa ko man da banko wala ba jiyala so isa jiya ko menna ngam fam patandi wo ko do lella men kam nako nanin dongol kakje denkilal kakje nanin drama wala ko theater wala kakje anin ko jama diamu kame public speaking wala be kakje so wolen kulde menalo ko la tapru ka sa kabrin sai nim fo ningo le do ko kanyum ma fongoda pour saje ko nin ngajiya fongo fe alon ko wala nyen na fula jam min dam fongol nin kanye fongol ntel kula ko madi ba be kala mo di menalo ko be so no so wala nin ni fero na ka ko la tapru fo nin ko men be ela di ban ko kanjam nin tundo la jam kabrin jara fokiyang la tajla ko mobe dabla nin fere ko programme ko me alon ko la tawole kala maybe mbakra wato mena nyaatu do man programme ko so mena men
okay baraka bake Ibrahima Kinde yemi fa seniata anin asahayata ni lafta iday ke ñing diamoto wala ila feka femfo men men be tende ñing kachato bi ise mol commandino wala mol text on 620 9820 6209820 natara gamse de bulu hansay 9331598 9331598 ni officiel fane be bulu ise mol fanam sotonoje 7065103 7065103 7065103 ñinen no mbaltime alon ko si texte kino ñinin karoke natare ma fahamu walla ila fata kudul le foje me yalon ko a dañata kejele walla itela mirode non pour kala fa non kan walla no mbalti musidɗam fulɓe on jarama miɗen ƴuro on ñalande hannde ɗo e nder reer soma ko minen ballal foundation ballal bresdi e WCY arani on ɗo hannde fi yewtugol programme mo min faala wadde e nder les sare programme mo hittina fi yimɓe sukaɓe e yimɓe wonɓe e marché no yeeya ko ɗum waɗi hannde min ari ɗo fi yewtugol mon ko honno ɗum watta ko honto ɗum watta ko honno kadi waɗirte no Amadou Ba haari noon tum Amadou Ewa ko inni ngal ɗo dental darnama fi waɗugol fottal walla fi waɗugol memmingol aadaji cosanji waɗno faala wadde e nder décembre enen andi suka bonno e nder ni o tundu ɗo walla e nder RRA ɓe mari ɗuma koɓe wawi buy piiji buy ko wawi kono hande hay goto yiyal ɗum walla yeeyaɓe buyno ɗo ɓe wakkilanade sukaɓe yimɓe buy andaɓe kono ngal ɗo dental walla ngal ɗo lawol walla o souci momin darni fi waɗugol o programme si o waɗama ɗum yimɓe ganday ko homɓe o e homɓe o jomiraade e honto ko honno ko wadde e ko pay ɗum kadi ko honno kadi ɗum mari ɗuma talent walla skills ay min andi 2014 ko LRR jogui nekof on e nekof on ma o paranne par ce que nekof ko leydi fof fottata si LRR waɗi gos te o waɗi feel ɗum ɓeyne ko LRR ɓeyda ɗum committee walla oɗo ɓeyne LRR fof te sida LRR tawa ɗum waɗi ngal ɗo dental darna fi waɗugol programme yaltingol aadaji e cosanji e wallugol paygol sukaɓe wonɓe yaade école fiɓe wawa darade hakkude jamaɓe woola e yimɓeɓe wawata windugol haala walla yewtere e nder jama ɓe wawa winde yewtere jama walla wonɓe yimugol haara ko yimugol ɓe faala yimoɓe faala wonde e heɓade occasion walla yaltugol e yalta ɓe yimoɓe walla wonɓe yeeyde woɓɓe mari ko yeyata a anda honno yimɓe andi tamati ɗum ɗo ko yeyata honno waɗa tawrede o programme ɗo haray a haalay ɓe ɓe dogon ɗo mi yeyata eɗen faala somo fof anda ko mi woni yeeyo kayo kono waɗa tawede o programme ayi hande yeeyaɓe buy ɓe joguiɓe bitikiɗi buy no tawa e o programme ko kamɓe imini o programme jeeɓe restaurant marɓe atelier ji marɓe boutique oyi fof no tawa ɗon dari inni oɗo programme ma waɗa paari ɓe andi ko ñalande maɓɓe ñalanden ko ñalande yeeyaɓe ɓen e sukaɓe yaaɓe école ɓen fi hollugol mbawdi maɓɓe ɗin e ko Allah hokkiɓe fof yimɓe fof no andi fo yimɓe fotata fof wata wonde janggayɓe ha heɓa ligge fof wata wonde jeeyaɓe ha heɓa fof wata wonde ɗema ma ɗum yimɓe sendira te aɗa hokkimo kala ko wawi hollirde haɗay ɗumon to bresdi noon e ballal foundation woni ngal dental fala ngal wadde o programme e lewru ara e ndun inshallah programme ɗin tawaɗi gol woni yimɓe sukaɓe waɗɓe interest ɗen walla falaɓe ɗen taweɗe e soda e fom tun ɓe bokka ka ɗuma miss competition walla ka miming walla ka music box walla ka comédie walla ka drama group walla singing group yimugol inchallah ko ɗon mbaɗa ɗum mista ba kontina yeeso siɗon falanudde walla ha joni siɗon falanudde walla may texte ɗo fawde texte tawiɗa e programme ɓay programme sifa makko wonta goho e nder LRA si a falanudde ɓawi ƴette commune ma on noddira min 6209820 6209820 walla noddira min si ƴamari gamsel 9331598 9331598 si ƴamari officiel ma on takkoma ɗum fawde texte walla call 7065103 7065103. Mr. Ba, you can.
Thank you very much, Al Hassan. That was a very wonderful presentation in our very good language. Beauty pageant. If we look at the activities, the first activity that we have is beauty pageant, and the beauty pageant is in this form. That is, we have Miss and Master. The Miss is for the young talented girls, and the Master is for the young talented boys. Which is this pageant will take a form of Miss and Master to prepare the boys and girls in the field of professional education, fashion and design. The winner of the pageant will be awarded a scholarship to study any course at Silicon Institute of Technology and Professional Studies. Contestants will be given the opportunity to read out their platform, which they will be guided through to achieve in the future. This is the whole idea and the concept of the beauty pageant. The public speaking, which is this activity is designed to improve or develop the talent of young public speakers who may want to take it as a professional career in the field of promotion and marketing, etc., etc. We also have another activity that is comedy and drama. The Gambia being a fast developing country in terms of movie, acting and comedy, this activity is aimed at involving young actors or actresses and comedians who has talent that can be developed to meet the national and the international standard. We also have another interesting activity which is the music box. When we look through the music box, it is a new program that we are initiating. This is why we always come in a very unique way, and we always bring programs that will not be boring to people. This is why our every program, the AMWCY and Balal, we always bring in new things, new activities that will at least attract the audience for them to participate more.
Because like if you spy someone, you are behind him. But
very good.
The moment you come with something new, you see, take an example of Africa. Many of the organizations are from Western world, and we don't have that we own. But if Africans also emulate the Western world, create their own activities, then they say, oh, Africa is coming up. So that's
this is why we came up with an activity called Music Box. This music box is a very, very interesting program. It always helps you to be very, very smart in thinking. Do you understand? And it always helps you to be very, very smart in responding to professional questions. Because like we don't want to see young people being asked certain questions and they keep saying, okay, give me time, let me think, and like this music box program is designed to prepare or equip the talented young people to be very good in what we call QRT, that is quick reaction thinking. The moment a question is posed to you, you are already there. You are always there to answer the question. This is why this activity is designed, and the music box is a special activity of its own, and we also have another activity of its own, that is my making. Do you understand? Now, this activity is designed to expose young talented upcoming artists in the rural Gambia who are yet to be heard or seen by the entire Gambian population or outside. The My Making is meant to promote those people who are young artists and coming up, who want to be seen by the whole world, not only the Gambia. And the music box also is not only out for musicians, it's out for anybody who want to be very good in responding to questions in a very, very fast manner. Because we will receive professionals who are trained in every activity, who will be coaching those people who are taking part in all these activities.
So the music box and the miming is another very important activity that will be taking place. We also have a dancing competition. The dancing competition will be held in such a way that the participants will be given the opportunity to dance to only Gambian music, being it cultural music or any form of music, but let the music be Gambian music. And today I was discussing with one of the dancing groups, and they were telling me why only Gambian music, because we are not used to dancing to Gambian music. It's embarrassing for we the Gambians. I mean, young people of the Gambia are saying we cannot dance to our own music. So this is what we
want to put to them. Yeah.
We want to put to them.
We want to make love.
We have to, honor and respect and love what belongs to us. This is why we are saying anybody, any dancing group that is going to take part in this activity, you have to, dance with a Gambian music. No Western music, no foreign music. And the purpose of this is to give courage to Gambian artists, for them to realize positivity in what they are doing. You understand, in the music arena. We also have what we call a cultural performance. This cultural performance, we're going to invite different cultural groups, like Nyako Manjang, their cultural group, Kadiba Sediba's cultural group. We have other different cultural groups, and we also have Bakar Esdampa's cultural group, and all these things are very smart cultural groups that can perform very, very well to display their cultures, and their tradition. Yeah. And the cultural performance is, we said, Gambia being a country with diverse culture, we designed this activity in consultation with the community elders to revitalize our forgotten culture, which are observed in these recent days, We know there are cultures that we are not observing nowadays, and there are cultures that they are forgotten, and we need to revitalize all these cultures. So this is why we designed this all these activities. And I will allow Mr. Kinte to go through this thing for our Mandinka listeners.
Okay. Mr. Ba. Mr. Ba kan mempo de wala mo ko bawo nga program mo ni lendi dating wala ka fanin ko wala sama nan nyokam ubi fayetan de pula si menke no wo kono dal me yalo ko la ka fu fanin ko le double je pour que fayetan de la ka ko men kala wala fu fulo wala ka me ko wa ko beauty pageant ni bo fla wala nyimma tombo ndol tafla musu nyimma tombo o nyimma tombo musol dabi jele ka me miss ani ci wala fana dabi jele ka me ko master bawo janni ko beauty pageant wala ko nyimma tombo ka wala musu nyimma tombo ndol la janna lafta la ku fulal wala sungu din wol men yalon ko be kram muro ani men be sato ko si dabla no nyim programme mo ni tole ani kewol men fana be kram muro ani men be sato ko ni fani kewol dem si dabla no jele hani men man la kram muro wala ko han men be sato ko si dabla no jele and then nyim fana be kala slol men am do fulale because men dun nyim to wala ko killing ka je ko dindingol men yalon ko be dabla ni wala fani ko si fay wala